when you were getting into the Foreign Service, we'd already had quite a few women, in positions of power. In fact, I think Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the
First High Commissioner.
first High
UK.
Commissioner, and then you.
Yeah.
There was a long gap, right,
That's
between the
true.
two.
That is true.
She also was always
Yes.
dressed in Indian attire. You also in Indian attire. When you joined the Foreign Service, did you at any point feel that this is a male bastion and you're getting there? Was there a glass ceiling in the Foreign Service?
Yes, there were some, though people didn't make it obvious. It's not as if women are not treated well or something. But there were glass ceilings. For instance, until that time, we had not had a woman foreign secretary.
Correct.
There was, barring Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, there was no woman High Commissioner to UK. Some of my colleagues, I was in fact the first woman to be posted to the High Commission in Islamabad.
Because why it's a tough or a...
Well, perhaps because just 3-4 years senior to me, there are women who wanted to go to Islamabad but were kind of discouraged.
Okay.
And not given the assignment. So there were glass ceilings, and the problem with that was that if a woman wanted a tough assignment, she was discouraged or ignored. But because of that, of course, she ended up having easier assignment, and that prompted others to say, see, all women get easy assignments.
Yeah.
So it becomes like a bit difficult, like Hobson's choice for women, because they couldn't have this, but if they had this, then it was...
But wasn't it a rare incident that both you and your husband get posted to Islamabad, and you both are posted to a country at a time where we've had IC-814, we've had Kargil and nuclear
Yes,
tests.
yes.
I don't think before or after
Yes.
has there been anybody like
No,
that.
I think it was a very tumultuous period. And I mean, we had started saying to each other, okay, so now we've seen everything. There can't be anything. And then there would be something. And at the end of, December 1999, there was a hijacking. So we said, okay, this was left for us to see. So now we are seeing
Seen
this
it all.
Yes.